There comes a moment in life when we all stop and wonder, what does it all mean? Is there a greater purpose, or are we just passing through time like leaves in the wind? Many seek wealth, others chase recognition, and some try to escape into distractions. But at the heart of it all, the answer is much simpler than we think. Today, I will share with you the secret to a truly meaningful life, one that is not defined by external achievements but by deep inner fulfillment. A long time ago, a young man came to me, burdened by questions about his purpose. "Master," he said, "I have everything, money, success, admiration, but I feel empty inside. Why is that?" I smiled and asked him, "Tell me, when you drink water, do you feel thirst?" He looked puzzled. "No, Master, when I drink, my thirst is gone." "Exactly," I replied. True fulfillment is not found in accumulating more, but in quenching the thirst of the soul. And that thirst is for meaning, not material things. To live meaningfully, one must embrace three fundamental truths. The first is acceptance of impermanence. Everything you hold on to, your possessions, your youth, even your loved ones, will change. When we resist this truth, we suffer. But when we embrace it, we learn to cherish the present moment, for we understand its fleeting nature. The second truth is self-awareness. Most people live on autopilot, repeating the same routines without ever questioning if they are truly happy. But when you pause and observe your thoughts, your actions, and your deepest desires, you begin to see what truly matters. Ask yourself, are you living for yourself, or are you merely following the expectations of others? And finally, the third truth, connection. We are not separate from the universe, we are part of it. The greatest fulfillment comes not from serving the self, but from serving others. Kindness, compassion, and love create ripples that extend far beyond what we can see. When you help another, you do not just change their life, you change your own. So, my dear friend, if you seek a meaningful life, do not search in the world outside, but within. Accept impermanence, cultivate awareness, and nurture your connection to others. You will find that meaning is not something to be chased, it is something to be lived, in every breath, every smile, and every act of kindness. If this wisdom has touched your heart, take a moment to reflect. Share your thoughts in the comments. What does meaning look like to you? And if you found this message valuable, let us continue this journey together. Like, subscribe, and let us walk the path of wisdom side by side. May you be happy, may you be peaceful, may you be free.